सर सर यहाँ पे चलिए। The blood from the cancer patient is separating the monocyte from that one.
Diagnosis, images and optical genome mapping, which is a high-end technique.
नहीं कैनबिस भी है, कैनबिस में भी आप ही लगे हैं ना।
ये सर
लेवेंडर शुरू उनके द्वारा हुआ था, वीर साहब है।
So we have founded in 2007 action unit to
Everyone to write in their respective places.
Biology, Dr. Vibha Tandon, Director, CSIR, Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine, a beautiful campus of Sher Kashmir, and to raise awareness under this healthcare theme. Remembering famous Dr. Jitendra Singh, Honorable Union Minister for Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Minister of Trade and Consumer Affairs, Transport, Science and Thank you so much, sir, for your time. I again request our Director, sir, of India.
थैंक यू सर।
यार वो आगे तो हाथ कर
use census and suppose advisor to pick one lab for CSIR. Every CSIR lab was assigned this responsibility to showcase X DCGI and these institutions. Different clusters have been phytopharmaceutical leads in
Union Minister, our Vice President of CSIR, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji. Thank you for accepting and actually coming for this particular ISCB Director, Srinivas Reddy, my fellow neighbor and director.
I'm very glad to be here. This is the last third of the event. We have had.
Today I am highly impressed with the gathering of the people who are here. First of all, I want to congratulate the Jammu Kashmir people, and the Honorable Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji has conveyed his greetings from the land of civilization Uttar Pradesh and land of opportunity, who is leading a number of portfolio, including our view how CSIR is.
Director Dr. Zabish, Director Dr. Sridevi, Chief Director, and Dr. Srinivas Reddy ji. Esteemed guests from J&K government, all participants, representatives from CSIR labs from across the country, academia, and my dear young researchers.
Thank you for the kind introduction. Honorable Minister for Science Technology, Minister for Transport, Minister for Sports, Minister for Administrative Reforms, and many other portfolios. Our very dear friend, Shri Satish Sharma ji, and I'm glad that I was always accused of carrying many portfolios. For the first time, I'm meeting someone who's beaten my record. And also administrative reforms, which is dealt by me in the capacity of our Honourable Minister is also with him. So I'm glad that we'll have one window association with the government of UT. And I'm also glad that the very first program, which is being organized by the central government in collaboration with the government of Jammu and Kashmir after it's taken over, happens to be this one with Shri Satish Sharma ji's first, I think, made an appearance in a central program in the capital city of Srinagar. And I look forward to a greater collaboration, closer collaboration in the years to come. Also seated on the dais, we have Mr. Dr. Vinay Nandikuri, Director CSIR, CCMB Hyderabad, Dr. Srinivas Reddy, Dr. Sanjeev Khosla from Chandigarh, Shri GN Singh, who is currently advisor. तो उनका कहना था कि बड़ा एक्सक्लूसिव सा संस्थान यहाँ पर कुछ निर्माणित किया जाए लखनऊ में। उन्होंने कहा था कि आपको जगह की चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, वो हम आपको उपलब्ध करवाएंगे। और उसी सिलसिले को लेकर के हमने एक इंडस्ट्रियल बायोटेक्नोलॉजी पार्क लखनऊ में स्थापित करने का निर्णय किया है और हमारी टोली जाकर के मुख्यमंत्री श्री योगी आदित्यनाथ जी के कार्यालय में इसके विषय में चर्चा भी कर रही है और आने वाले समय में बहुत जल्द मुख्यमंत्री जी से समय लेकर के इसका शिलान्यास भी किया जाएगा। Also, we have Dr. Vibha Tandon, whom I have to apologize for contribution from the Department of Biotechnology. And we have a lot of biotechnology institutes which are dedicated. So next time we'll try. Similarly, a lot of work also being done in the IITs, because now the technology has taken over both the agriculture as well as the health sector. And incidentally, we have in-house in the same ministry, the Department of DST, which is also being headed by one of the IITs, the former director of Kanpur IIT. And the DBT, one of the finest biotechnologists. So next time I think we'll have an extended 1 week, one celebration. CSIR can be the host and the nodal authority. So that will also give CSIR a wider spectrum of activity outside the Ministry of Science and Technology. So you'll be able to spread your domain even outside and find acknowledgement there. Now, as far as healthcare is concerned, and this is the theme today, I think one of the important factors as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned is that we have two specific domains, the aroma, the Himalayas, the agriculture sector, which have not received the kind of attention that they deserve. And it sounds a little embarrassing when you are talking at a platform in a place like Srinagar, which is rich both for agriculture, horticulture, food, whatever you call. And we have all the technology, and I'm glad through biotechnology department.
Honorable Union Minister, Independent Charge of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Minister of State in the PMO, Ministry of Personal Public Grievances and Pension, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, and Vice President of Jammu and Kashmir. Memento and बहुत शुक्रिया सर। Thank you so much. Dr. G. Put your hands together for Dr. G.